Hello everybody and welcome to Home Access Plus version 4.5 Preview 5. We're going to quickly get into this just so because don't really have that much time. Right, first thing you'll notice is that when you log on to Home Access Plus now, you'll get, as well as the announcement box, just below it will be the version box. This is only available to system admins. Basically tells you when there's a new version available and to go and get it. And there's also underneath that the Home Access Plus logo and image has been put in at the top. You can also right click on any page and view the source, and in the source page you should see both a meta tag for the author and a meta tag for the generator. The generator in this case is hap.web, and you will see the version number. So let's get straight down to showing you the slightly new features in this version. The main one being the My Computer Silverlight. This is a slightly updated version of what you saw last time, so if I just make it a bit bigger so you can see it a bit better. Right, what you can see here is the drive view, and you can see the status of the drives on the server that the shares are hosted on. The percentage bars are only available for system admins or people that have right access to those drives. Shared documents being and staff shared being ones that the staff can see. So you can obviously change the view to the different icons that you can go for. The question mark gives you the help information as well as the version of HAP and the Silverlight version. As you can see there, I'm currently running an alpha version of 26696. So let's go into my documents now. You can see that it expands the tree, and you can also see at the top that it puts #n in at the top, so that if you refresh the page, once HAP reloads, it will navigate to where you were. You can prove that on multiple camps. There we go. Right, so what's changed since I last did a preview? Well, you can now move things and rename things. So let's rename downloads to downloads 1. And you can see that that's gone ahead and downloaded and saved that. I can also rename it back to downloads. I can also move it into, this case, the fax folder. And you can see that it's moved. To move it up into the previous folder, you can drag it to the dot. And new folder also works, or should be working. So you can see downloads has come back up here. You can also drag files into folders as such. You can do multi-delete now using the highlight and click and delete. You can also upload stuff, so I'm just going to show you. I'm just going to upload something now from my documents. So what I've got here is a standard Windows standard Explorer window. What I'm going to drag into it are these two items here. Quite big. Our school logo. I'm going to drag it into Silverlight. You can see that you get this tooltip that travels with you. Drag it anywhere in HAP, in the central place, and it'll say upload to this folder. Drag it to an individual folder, however, and it'll say upload to this individual folder. So I'm going to drag it to downloads. What you should see then is right down the bottom is you've got these, it's already started. It starts straight up nowadays. The uploading starts straight off. If I feel like this might cause some issues, I might stop that from doing that. You can see that's already picked up what the types are, and it's got you the file size and everything. You can remove a file. I need to code it so you can't remove it while it's actually uploading. So as you can see here, it's currently chugging its way through, and we've got the progress bar slowly moving across. You can, while it's doing that, go and have a look at stuff. And for some reason it's put these images into the same folder again, which is a slight bug, I admit. So you can see that they're there. We're going to downloads, they're not there, they're not in faxes or anywhere. So I kind of mucked up on that one. But what you can do now is you can download it, and I'll show you. It has actually uploaded it perfectly well. So now what you can do is you can highlight, right click, delete, and do an OK on the big delete. Question you on both deletes. I'm going to click cancel and delete that one. Now I'm going to try re-uploading that. And what you should see is it will come up saying, do you want to overwrite this? I'm going to click yes on that. I'm just going to start overwriting that. While that's doing that, I'm going to go into the downloads folder and I'm going to upload the same file again into the uploads folder. Let's wait a minute for this to finish. There we go. Right. While that's doing that, I'm going to drag this file using the scroll wheel I'm scrolling up. I'm going to drag it into the downloads folder. Slight problem there. That should have, if it was working properly, it should have come up saying, do you want to overwrite this? And it's not, so I've got a slight problem there. But it shows you that the delete functions are working. The upload function is working near enough. So slight bugs I've got to fix, and I've also shown you that the new, on the home page, you've got the latest version status box. So I hope you enjoyed it.